Welcome to Nikit Engineers Welding Automation or Robotics Solutions, where innovation meets precision in welding technology. In today's video, we are diving into the world of welding excellence as we introduce you to the cutting-edge Flexi Hose Welder by Nikit Engineers. The Flexi Hose Welder is a game-changer in the welding industry, designed to cater to the specialized welding needs of flexible hoses using the TIG tungsten inert gas welding process. With over 4 decades of welding expertise, Nikit Engineers has crafted this revolutionary machine to elevate your welding experience. Let's talk about the TIG welding process, known for its accuracy and clean welds. The Flexi Hose Welder employs TIG welding technology to ensure seamless and flawless connections for flexible hoses. This process involves using a non-consumable tungsten electrode to create the weld, while an inert gas shield protects the weld area from atmospheric contamination. What sets our Flexi Hose Welder apart is its wire feeding mechanism. This feature ensures that the welding wire is fed consistently, enabling precise and controlled welds. The result? Strong, durable, and leak-free connections for even the most intricate flexible hoses. Operating our Flexi Hose Welder is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly control panel. At Nikit Engineers, we understand the importance of efficiency, so we have made sure that our machines are not only technologically advanced but also easy to use. From hydraulic systems, semiconductors, to medical equipment, our Flexi Hose Welder caters to a wide range of industries. Our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction is reflected in the quality of every weld produced by our welding machines. And here's the pride of Nikit Engineers: all our machines, including the Flexi Hose Welder, are proudly made in India. This speaks volumes about our dedication to innovation and manufacturing. So, whether you are looking to enhance productivity, improve weld quality, or streamline your welding process, our Flexi Hose Welder is a perfect solution for your metal or stainless steel flexible hose welding. Visit our website www.nikitengineers.in to learn more about our Flexi Hose Welder and our other range of welding automation and robotics solutions. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, at Nikit Engineers, we are always by your side. We are the welding people.